Hey guys, the Mob Killer here. We're playing some Call of Duty Ghost. We're gonna be doing Infected. I'm playing with my friend Crone X Master 21, and here we go. You ready, Crone?
Yeah.
Okay. We're doing free fall.
Alright.
I'm zooming in the camera a little bit so they can see it better.
Infected.
Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, here we go. Crone, where did you spawn at?
Nowhere close to you.
Kind of
Stay alive by any means necessary.
Barely.
Okay,
Oh, on the southern side of the map.
oh, you're right.
What's not the side of the map? I thought that was the side of the map.
Oh god, oh god.
What's infected?
You ain't infected for what? Okay, where do you want to go? We want to
I'm
try
to the
to...
spot we was at last time.
Yeah, but we don't have riot shields, though.
Oh yeah, we don't.
We want to try to hold it off in the tube, you know that?
Alright.
Let's go. Oh, I'm infected. Oh. That's it. Are you dead yet?
No.
Okay. I won't come for you then. I killed someone.
Woo, this thing saved my life up there.
Good. Respawn. Throw at someone. Dang it. Nope. Okay. Are you in the tube and all that?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna kill you. It's gonna happen.
Oh, no, why did I say that? You're killing me. Oh, you got dropped. I think that was you.
I think your guy just got killed that was next to you. Guess who killed him? This guy.
Yeah, I got you, the mob.
Come back to the window. I was kidding. I don't have any, missiles.
You have all of them.
Alright, I dare you to come to the window. No, I was kidding. God damn, I keep missing that one guy. Yeah. Hey, Crone, I see you. I'm coming in. Coming in. Ah! Oh.
Sit down. Oh, I'm about to die. Ooh.
Oh,
I'm a survivor.
you're a
I
survivor?
only got 5 bullets. And no clip. Oh, son of a gun. I am infected now.
Oh, you're good. Okay. Hopefully this round ends soon, because it's not fun when you're infected. Like, the first 2 minutes of it are actually... the video's only been 3 minutes, so not really, actually.
Silence out. Silence out for me. What are you at?
Are they not stressing here? Like, are you for real? Oh, they got me! No! Okay.